Together we are stronger. It's all connection, it's all community. People want to help you. You have to be open to accept the help. So we were delivering a talk on resilience and mindset to the team at Raise Ventures, the guys that are on the Emerging Leaders Programme. We're talking about the importance of seeing things from a different angle and trying to turn self-doubt into self-belief. And we're also connecting with the breath, using simple breathwork techniques. And what we've done was we got the guys into the water and we got them to control their breathing. And it was just to prove to them that they can become comfortable in an uncomfortable environment and then take that skill into a boardroom, a meeting, or at home, I suppose, and instead of being overcome by stress.
How'd they get on? Did they go into the water?
They did really well. They all get into the water. They all survived, which was the main thing. No jellyfish stings, but all joking aside, they did brilliant. So everyone was able to control their breathing, control the nervous system. And after, I would say, about a minute, you've seen people's bodies starting to loosen up and starting to have conversations. And it was just the take home that, you know, life can get stressful at times, but we have the ability to at least lessen it through breathing, lessen it significantly. And if we can do it in the cold water, they can do it anywhere.
Now, if people want to find out more about natural resilience, where do they go to?
Yes, naturalresilience.co.uk, or I'm on Instagram and Facebook as Natural Resilience, and LinkedIn as Kieran May.